Is your Google Business email two-factor authentications giving you a hard time and blocking you from accessing your account? We know how frustrating that can be, and I'm here to help you fix it real quick. In this video, we're going to cover the most effective, proven fixes for Google Business email two-factor authentication problems so you can get back into your account as quickly and smoothly as possible. And if you want more help, just dial the numbers displayed on the screen and get real-time guidance from our experts. Now, let's fix your issue. Go ahead and access your Google Admin Console on your computer. After that, on the left-hand side panel, click on the Directory option. From the Open list of options, click on Organizational Unit. On the Open page, select the Create an Organization Unit option, and then a pop-up will appear afterward. Now, what you need to do is give the organizational unit a name and then click on the Create option. Once that's done, you need to click on the Users option in the same left-hand side panel. Then, go to the account in which you're facing the two-factor authentication problem and then click on More Options drop-down next to it. Next, go ahead and select the Change Organizational Unit option. On the Open pop-up, select the name of the new organizational unit and click on the Continue button to proceed. When you see the confirmation screen, then click on the Change option. Well, we have completed halfway through and we have few more steps to go. Your two-factor authentication problem will be fixed. So, if you're finding these steps easy to follow, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now, go ahead and click on the Security option in the left-hand side panel. Next, move to the Authentication option and choose Two-Step Verification right below it. Then, select your new organizational unit and choose the Off option under Enforcement. After that, scroll all the way down and click on the Override option. Once you're on this page, click on the Enroll option and see if your problem has been resolved.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help-emailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.